Hello, my name is Dr. John Tillman. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of History and Political Science in the College of Arts and Sciences. And I'd like to welcome you all for enrolling in our new online course, History 105, The Black Experience in the Americas. History 105, The Black Experience in the Americas has been in existence now for 1 year in our brick and mortar. And now we're happy to offer it online for students. This course, History 105, undergoes the historical narrative of people of African descent in the Western Hemispheres. This class will concentrate on Black people in the United States and on the island of Jamaica specifically. The purpose is to trace your historical roots back into ancient Africa and then tell the social historical experience of African descended people through slavery up to the Black Power movement in the United States and Jamaica. One thing you will uncover is the similarities and differences in the social historical experiences of people of African descent in the Caribbean and the United States. And you'll see how those different social historical experiences has shaped their movements, their politics, and their culture. One thing you'll also get out of this class is the similarity and the differences of politics, culture, and the experiences. So I say thank you very much for enrolling in History 105, The Black Experience in the Americas. I hope that the information that you take out of this course will be applied into your daily life and philosophy. Thank you.